All right, good morning, happy homeowners over here in Los Angeles. Getting ready to apply the last coat of finish. We actually have to polish it, buff it all down first, but let's go in and take a look. You seen it yesterday as we were staining it. And there it is. Whew, what a difference. What a difference, look at that. Good. Get more. Man, they're going to paint these risers white so that step up really stand out. All right, any questions? Leave them in the comments. We'll answer them. If you want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors, let us know. Thanks, guys. Another happy, 5-star happy client. Watch for the testimonial. It'll be right below this or above it.